Hello friends, welcome to my channel. You are seeing a tree full of red fruits, and from this red fruit inside you can see the seeds, and from these seeds you get the organic sindoor, the real sindoor, the sindoor of Lord Hanuman. And you can find this sindoor in the temples, but this one is the original one. And here you can see, as you crush the seeds, you get this color in your hands, and this is very good for health and nervous system. So this is the organic sindoor, how you get from these seeds. Thank you. Bye bye. See the full video for more information in my channel. Bye.